Air, silent and unseen, is fast becoming a key player in shaping tomorrow's innovations. Today, we explore a range of cutting-edge technologies powered by wind and air, where invisible forces drive some of the most exciting breakthroughs in science and engineering. From futuristic flying vehicles to air-derived food sources, the sky is no longer the limit. Let's begin with the Sky Surfer, a unique fusion of hoverboard and drone. This electric marvel zips through the air at speeds, reaching up to 105 kilometers per hour. Its flight time may be limited to roughly 20 minutes per charge due to high energy usage, but it compensates with the ability to lift loads up to 227 kilograms, enough to carry even heavy-duty protective equipment. Designers have spent significant effort refining the one-handed flight controls, offering impressive maneuverability. It's not hard to envision a near future where couriers zip through the skies on machines just like this. Next, picture a future where energy isn't stored in lithium cells, but in enormous tanks filled with ultra-cold liquid air. That future is already here, thanks to cryo-battery technology. This system cools ambient air to minus 196 degrees Celsius, transforming it into a liquid that's stored under low pressure. When energy demand spikes, the liquid is warmed and reverts to gas, driving turbines to generate power. If scaled up, cryo-battery facilities could provide emergency electricity for 200,000 households for up to 12 hours. No wonder it's caught the attention of UK energy planners. In late 2024, BMW introduced the largest and quietest wind tunnel ever built, located in Munich. Towering at 45 meters and stretching almost 100 meters in length, this wind tunnel can simulate hurricane-force winds of up to 250 kilometers per hour. Despite the intense airflow, noise levels remain comparable to a standard air conditioner, allowing engineers to speak without shouting during vehicle testing. So, when you admire the sleek design of an electric BMW, remember that this high-tech tunnel helped shape it, literally. From city traffic to the stratosphere, the Kia Atmos changes the game. This solar-powered, pilotless flying vehicle can soar to altitudes where commercial jets cruise. With a wingspan of 12.5 meters, soon to be expanded to 30, this aerial machine can remain aloft for 16 hours. Its applications range from environmental monitoring to surveillance operations, showing how clean energy and high-altitude performance can go hand in hand. Traditional wind turbines are evolving too. Gone are the massive spinning blades. Instead, we now see slender, vertical aerofoils that gently sway in the breeze. These new turbines convert oscillations into usable electricity, all while being quieter, safer for birds, and easier to deploy in unusual spots like highways or rooftops. Costing around 15 cents per kilowatt hour, these units are both budget-friendly and urban-compatible. By 2026, daily commutes might take flight. The H1X flying electric car is set to launch with an estimated price tag of $300,000. Boasting top speeds near 305 kilometers per hour and capable of carrying 2 passengers along with their gear, it's designed to be compact enough to fit in a residential driveway. With performance and size optimized, this futuristic vehicle aims to turn gridlock into airspace. You might not know it, but many commercial airplanes are equipped with a miniature wind-powered emergency generator. Known as the ram air turbine, or ARATA, it activates if onboard systems fail, using airflow to power vital instruments and hydraulic systems. Generating between 5 and 70 kilowatts, this little lifesaver has already played a role in rescuing over 2,400 lives, with ongoing investments making it even more reliable. Water scarcity is a pressing global issue, but solutions are emerging from thin air, literally. The Sky H2O system extracts moisture from the atmosphere, with the flagship model, AWG Maximus, producing more than 10,000 liters of clean drinking water every day. Built to operate for over 25 years and meeting international water quality standards, these devices are being deployed in drought-prone regions across the United States. At Solar Foods, scientists are transforming air into protein using a process that resembles fermentation. The secret lies in soline, a high-tech system that feeds microorganisms with carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen, and trace minerals. The resulting biomass is processed into a fine powder containing about 70% protein. Neutral in taste and entirely plant-based, it can be molded into flakes, granules, or meal replacements, ideal for everything from health foods to deep space missions. Kitecraft offers a revolutionary take on wind energy. No towers, no massive blades, and nothing planted in the ground. Instead, kite-like aircraft fly in looping patterns, pulling on tethers connected to ground generators. This movement produces electricity starting at 100 kilowatts, with plans to scale to megawatts. Kitecraft systems require 1/10 the materials of traditional turbines and work both on land and at sea, ideal for next-generation offshore wind farms. Smart clothing is getting smarter. Aerochromics garments can change color in real time to alert wearers of environmental hazards. Carbon monoxide triggers color shift through embedded salts. Airborne particles are detected via integrated sensors, and radiation is revealed by chemically reactive dyes. While a single shirt might cost upwards of $500, the protection they offer against invisible threats could prove invaluable. In Iceland, a massive facility called Mammoth has begun removing carbon dioxide directly from the atmosphere. This plant aims to capture 36,000 tons annually, roughly equivalent to emissions from 8,000 petrol-powered vehicles. Once captured, the CO2 is dissolved in water and injected underground, where it reacts with basalt rock and becomes permanently trapped as solid stone. Last but not least, the Arca board is redefining personal flight. Powered by 36 electric fans delivering over 200 kilowatts, around 270 horsepower, it can lift a Seoul person weighing up to 110 kilograms off the ground by 30 centimeters and propel them at speeds of 20 kilometers per hour. With a battery life of just 6 minutes, it's not exactly built for long travel, but the experience is unforgettable. Already open for pre-orders, the real question is, would you spend over $20,000 to hover? And then there's Vortex Bladeless, a turbine unlike anything you've seen. This device has no blades, no spinning parts, and barely a sound. Instead, it relies on the natural formation of vortex patterns caused by airflow around vertical cylinders. These oscillations create kinetic energy that's converted into electricity. A 12.5-meter unit can produce up to 4 kilowatts, enough for a rural home. Even better, its production emits 80% less carbon dioxide than conventional turbines. Perhaps in the not-so-distant future, these elegant, bird-friendly generators will dot rooftops and hillsides worldwide. In a bold move to reimagine urban infrastructure, the Cloud Collective, a global network of architects and designers, has transformed a bustling Swiss highway into an unlikely ally in environmental sustainability. Transparent bioreactors filled, with algae line the roadway, quietly producing oxygen, capturing carbon dioxide, and contributing to industries like skincare and agriculture. These bioreactors run entirely on solar energy, adding an eco-friendly twist to their already futuristic design. If the pilot proves effective, cities worldwide could adopt similar green solutions, turning concrete corridors into sources of fresh air. Cumulus offers a fresh take on water generation, literally. This compact atmospheric water generator, roughly the size of a standard washing machine, extracts moisture directly from the air. Sleek and stylish, it has even found a place inside the upscale Labadera Hotel. Based on humidity levels, Cumulus can produce up to 50 liters of drinkable water daily, meeting both European Union and World Health Organization safety standards. For those skeptical about its claims, third-party lab certifications provide reassurance. Interested buyers should be ready to invest around $5,000 per unit. Now imagine a parachute canopy, as light as a shopping bag, but engineered to save your life during a freefall. That's the 5 Lite from Squirrel, a base jumping marvel that took 2 years to perfect. It offers the same performance as bulkier canopies, but allows for slower descents by about 5.5 kilometers per hour. Its space-saving design makes it ideal for tight landing zones, and each unit is meticulously hand-checked before it ships. Pricing starts at $2,580. Urban dwellers can breathe easy, literally, with OxyPure bars. These modern oxygen lounges don't serve drinks, but rather supply fresh, enriched air infused with aromatic essential oils. Whether you're recovering from a night out, decompressing after a workout, or simply looking for a mental refresh, sessions ranging from 15 to 60 minutes deliver that fresh mountain air feeling. These bars blend wellness with technology, turning clean air into an immersive experience. Flying Whales is redefining aerial transport with their massive LCA-60T cargo airship, stretching 200 meters in length and capable of lifting 60 tons. This sky giant is driven by 32 electric motors producing nearly 10,000 combined horsepower. It cruises at speeds up to 100 kilometers per hour and is expected to take its first flight in 2027. If successful, it could revolutionize freight delivery to areas that are currently hard to access. Oricom Corporation has introduced an advanced heat exchanger tailored for energy-saving ventilation systems. At its core is a maze-like structure that enables airstreams to pass side by side, transferring heat efficiently without mixing. It's a simple yet elegant solution that optimizes both comfort and energy retention. In the drone safety sector, Hexafactory has unveiled HexaSmart, South Korea's pioneering automatic parachute system for unmanned aerial vehicles. Designed to activate within a second during emergencies, it supports drones up to 35 kilograms, deploys remotely or autonomously, and even includes a black box. It operates for up to 10 hours on a single charge and incorporates 5G compatibility. Although payload limitations exist, the technology is continually evolving. Mingyang's Ocean X is a floating powerhouse, an offshore wind platform delivering 16.6 megawatts via twin turbines. This colossal system can provide about 54 million kilowatt hours annually, powering up to 30,000 homes. Spanning rotor blades of 182 meters and weighing 16,500 tons, it can endure the brutal force of Category 5 hurricanes. Positioned off China's southern coast, Ocean X signals a significant leap in offshore wind capacity. Meanwhile, GIC's newly launched brand, Gyuv, is steering the dream of flying cars into reality. The GoV Airjet is a sleek electric air vehicle, designed for short-range flights as an air taxi. It tops out at 250 kilometers per hour, covers up to 200 kilometers on a single charge, and recharges in only 30 minutes. If timelines hold, airborne commutes might start as early as 2027. ViaU Mobile is a powerful yet portable air sterilizer, ideal for spaces up to 80 square meters. About the size of a compact fridge and weighing around 50 kilograms, it utilizes ultraviolet lamps and electrostatic filtration to eliminate dust, smoke, and airborne irritants. Optional HEPA filters enhance its performance, and with just 200 watts of power usage, it operates quietly and efficiently. No installation required. The AeroCool AQS base transforms invisible air pollutants into tangible insights. Housed in a compact enclosure, this high-tech monitor tracks a wide range of gases, such as nitrogen dioxide, methane, and hydrogen sulfide, as well as particulate matter from PM1 to PM10. It operates for up to 15 hours on battery power, withstands cold weather thanks to a winter-ready kit, and transmits data to the cloud for easy visualization via intuitive dashboards. Robots are getting more agile and airborne. Meet Leonardo. This lightweight, two-legged machine with drone-like rotors on top can both walk and fly, switching between modes with remarkable fluidity. Designed for mobility in complex environments, Leonardo could play vital roles in rescue missions or even planetary exploration. Its coordinated movement system is a breakthrough in robotic agility. Pure Plus takes smart home aromatherapy to new heights. This app-connected diffuser lets users schedule operation times, fine-tune scent intensity, and seamlessly switch between two fragrance bottles that can each last up to 4 weeks, even with daily use. The subscription model ensures timely delivery of fresh refills every 4, 8, or 12 weeks. The starter kit, which includes the diffuser, 2 scents, a sampler, and a 4-week subscription, costs about $112. Combining robotic engineering with nature's elegance, the Bionic Bee is a flight-capable micro-robot that weighs just 23 grams. Modeled closely after real bees, these artificial insects can fly in coordinated groups, currently up to 10 at a time. Built after 2 years of development and extensive bee observation, Bionic Bees are being explored for rescue operations, public safety, and educational applications in robotics. Finally, the O2 chair is where wellness meets futuristic comfort. Designed to enhance breathing exercises and meditation, it offers a zero-gravity mode that evenly distributes body weight to relieve pressure. Additional features include customizable massage, heating functions, and posture optimization to improve. Oxygen intake. Rooted in yogic breathing techniques, the O2 chair transforms relaxation into a high-tech retreat. Price tag? Approximately $10,000.